Good morning guys, and in front of me is POCO M6 and let me show you how to play dark theme. So at first open the settings, then find and select display and brightness, and here you will notice dark mode. Just mark the indicator and that's it. Right after you marked it is applied, and as you noticed you can switch it off the same way. If you wish to explore dark mode a bit more, just mark dark mode options, and here you can set some schedule. Just click on switch to dark mode, and now you can pick either from sunset to sunrise, so it will be automatically activated between sunset and sunrise, or you can do it at custom hours, so just here select the hours on which you want to have it active. And here you can also adjust the text in dark mode if you wish. So that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.